Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can journal trades on Myfxbook. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will be describing everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, you make sure to connect your trading account or have a list of trades to log manually. Journaling helps you to track decisions, emotions, and setups for later review. First, from your MyFXbook dashboard, you will have to go to your journal or trades. But before that, you have to make sure that you already have your account all set up so that you will be able to do this. Okay? So you have to make sure that you do have an account. So in my case, I don't have an account yet. But if you do have one, just proceed to the steps that I will be explaining. So once you have your account, you will go to journal or trades. Then you will see a pencil icon on an existing trade. So you go ahead and click that. Write concise notes like entry reason, exit rules, emotion, and add a short checklist. For example, trend, no news, and risk 1%. And then you will attach screenshots if needed using the attachment option. Then you will tag the trade with the keywords like breakout, scalp, or swing, and then save your entry. Use filters to pull up your journal trades by tag when you want to analyze specific setups or mistakes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have a good day.